Welcome to Shafat Foodie Vloggers. Homemade vs takeout meals. A lively and experienced chef appears on screen with a friendly smile. Hey there, foodies. Welcome to today's video, Homemade vs takeout meals. Are you tired of relying on takeout and wanting to cook more meals at home? Or are you a takeout lover who's curious about the benefits of homemade meals? Either way, you're in the right place. I'm your host, Shafat, and I'll be sharing my thoughts on the pros and cons of homemade vs takeout meals. Segment 1, Benefits of Homemade Meals, 0:30 to 3 o'clock. Surrounded by fresh ingredients. So, let's start with the benefits of homemade meals. One of the biggest advantages is that you can control the ingredients and the nutritional content of your meal. When you cook at home, you can choose to use fresh, whole ingredients and avoid added preservatives and sugars. Another benefit of homemade meals is that they can be cost-effective. When you buy ingredients in bulk and plan your meals ahead of time, you can save money on food costs. And finally, cooking at home can be a fun and creative outlet. You can experiment with new recipes and ingredients, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating a delicious meal from scratch. Segment 2, Benefits of Takeout Meals, 3 to 5 o'clock. Holding up a takeout container. Now, let's talk about the benefits of takeout meals. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. When you're short on time or don't feel like cooking, takeout can be a quick and easy solution. Another benefit of takeout meals is that they can be a great way to try new cuisines and flavors. Whether you're in the mood for Chinese, Indian, or Italian food, takeout can be a delicious and convenient option. And finally, takeout meals can be a nice treat every now and then. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just need a break from cooking, takeout can be a fun and indulgent option. Segment 3, Comparison of Homemade and Takeout Meals, 5 to 7 o'clock. Comparing the nutritional content of homemade and takeout meals. Now, let's compare the nutritional content of homemade and takeout meals. As you can see, homemade meals tend to be lower in calories, salt and sugar, and higher in fiber and essential nutrients. But it's worth noting that not all takeout meals are created equal. Restaurants and meal delivery services are now offering healthier options that are made with fresh, whole ingredients. And, of course, there are also some homemade meals that can be high in calories and unhealthy ingredients. It really depends on the recipe and the ingredients you choose. Segment 4, Tips for Cooking at Home. Sharing tips for cooking at home. So, if you're looking to cook more meals at home, here are a few tips to get you started. First, start with simple recipes and ingredients. Don't try to make something too complicated for your first few attempts at cooking. Second, plan your meals ahead of time. Take some time on the weekend to plan out your meals for the week and make a grocery list. Finally, don't be too hard on yourself if things don't turn out perfectly. Cooking is all about experimentation and trying new things. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and try again. #Conclusion, 9 to 10:30. Thanks for watching our video on homemade vs takeout meals. I hope you found some useful tips and insights to help you make healthier, more delicious choices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more food-related videos. And hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy cooking!